Hello students. So we were solving Goa Board Prelim 2024 paper. Okay. So we have done till question 16, that is indefinite integrals we have solved. Now we'll move on to definite integrals. Okay. This is question number 17. Evaluate from 0 to 1 x square upon x square plus 1 dx. So you must have solved this type of integrals. Okay. You have to write this denominator x square plus 1. We can write here in the numerator as x square plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so we are balancing it. So this is x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 minus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so here you will get 1 and here I'll write it dx minus integral 0 to 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so this is a square plus x square form. Okay, so this is your tan inverse. So integral of 1 is x and this part it is tan inverse of x. Okay, limit is from 0 to 1. So putting the limits, 1 minus tan inverse of 1 minus 0 minus tan inverse of 1, tan inverse of 0. Okay, tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, tan inverse of 0 is 0 degree. So the answer is 1 minus pi by 4. Okay. Next is you have to prove this. Okay, integral from minus a to a fx dx. These are the properties. Okay, of definite integrals, and this I have solved in one of the videos. I'll share the link in the description box. Okay, so you can practice all the properties and their proofs. Next is application of integrals. First question, using integration you have to find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed between the circles. Both the circles are given, x square plus y square equal to 4 and x minus 2 the whole square plus y square equal to 4. This question is actually solved in the textbook. Okay, but I'll solve it again for the practice. So the question 19, two circles are given, x square plus y square equal to 4 and x minus 2 the whole square plus y square equal to 4. Okay, so the equation of the circle is given by x square plus y square equal to r square, correct? So this is your center 0, 0. Okay, for this the center is x minus 2 is given, so this is 2, 0. Okay. Then here the radius is 2 and here also it is 2. Okay. So drawing the graph, 1, 2. So this first circle with center 0 comma 0. This point is 2 comma 0. Okay. Then here, this is the center of another circle with same radius. So this will be like this. Okay. And you have to find the common region. This area you have to find. Okay. This point is 1 comma 0. You have to find this point. This is 1 comma 2, right? This point we have to find. It's not 1 comma 2. This comes here. This point we have to find these 2 points. Okay. So for that you have to put one of the equation in another equation, or you can do simply one thing, that is both the right hand sides are equal, that is 4, so we can equate the left hand sides. So x square plus y square is equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus y square. Okay, so we'll get x here. Expanding this, square minus 4x plus 4 a minus b the whole square. Then x square and x square also gets cancelled. So we get 0. 4 you can take outside. So this is x equal to 1. Okay, this we knew. X is 1. We have to find y. So put x equal to 1 in y. Directly also you can put x equal to 1 in y. Okay. So putting in first equation, we'll get y square equal to 4 minus 1. So y is plus or minus root 3. So we got 2 points, that is 1 comma plus root 3 and 1 comma minus root 3. So this is our 1 comma root 3 and this is 1 comma minus root 3. Okay. So now we have to find area of this region. So I'll take according to the textbook I'll go. So I'll take this part, okay, and I'll double it. So suppose this is O, this is A, this is B, and this point is C. Then the area I have to double it. Total area is 2 times area O A B C O. Okay, this area I have to double. Now I'm taking points, that is limits of x-axis, that is from 0 to 1. First I'll calculate, this is the area, right? So I'll calculate this part, that is from 0 to 1, and then I'll go from 1 to 2. Okay. That is this part. So this is a part of which circle? The second one, right? And this is a part of first circle. So this area will be 2 times area of this region OACO plus area CBAC. Okay. So first region, it is from 0 to 1 y dx. I'm moving along y and like this. Okay, but limits are changing along. No, I'm going along dx x, and the second limits are from 1 to 2. So first region is of second circle. Okay, so y will be what from this? Y is 4 minus x minus 2 the whole square, root of 4 minus x minus 2 the whole square. Dx. This second is the first circus region. So this is root of 4 minus x square. Okay, now you have to use the formula, that is integration formulas. A square minus x square. Okay, so I'll write it somewhere. X by 2 root of a square minus x square plus e by 2 square by 2 plus c. Okay, so using that you will get 2. I'm keeping outside. Here a is 2 and this is our x. So this is x by 2 root of square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. This is from 0 to 1. Okay, then we have plus x by 2 root of 4 minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, x by 2 plus c. Here limits are given, so no c. 1 to 2. Okay, now we have to put the values. This we can simplify. If I take this 2 inside, then this 2's get cancelled everywhere. Okay, I'll write it again. Okay. Now we have to substitute the values. This first you have to put 0. Okay. So this will be 0 minus 2 root of 4 minus 0 minus 2 the whole square, which is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. This term is 0. Okay. This term is 0. Plus 4 sine inverse 0 minus 2 upon 2. So sine inverse of minus 1. B minus C we have to do. Now first we have to put 1. Okay. So this is 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. 4 minus 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 4 minus 1 is root 3. Okay. Plus 4 sine inverse 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. Sine inverse of minus half. This is for 1. Okay. Then minus, when you put 0, this term is 0. For here, it will be 4. I'll write this. 4 sine inverse 0 minus 2 upon 2. So this is minus 1. Okay. Then for this, first you put 2. 2 root of 4 minus 2 square. So this term is 0. 4 sine inverse 2 by 2, which is 1, minus 1, 1, 4 minus 1 the whole square. So this is root 3. Again minus 4 sine inverse half. Okay. So rewriting will get minus root 3 plus 4 sine inverse minus half. So sine inverse of minus half means minus of sine inverse of half. And sine inverse of half is if you put it equal to theta. Okay, so sine of theta is half. So this is 30 degree. 30 means pi by 6. And it is with a negative sign. So minus pi by 6. Minus sine inverse of minus 1. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So this is plus pi by 4. Not 10, it is sine, it is okay. For 0, it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So this is pi by 2. Again here sine inverse of 1, which is pi by 2. So 3 pi by 6. Okay. Minus root 3 is minus 2 root 3. Minus pi by minus 2 pi by 3. 2 pi is again this gets cancelled. Okay. Sorry, this gets add up. Okay. Minus 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. So minus 4 pi by 3. And this is 2 pi, so plus 4 pi. Okay. Cross multiplying this, you will get minus 4 pi plus 2 pi upon 3, which is 8 pi by 3. Okay, so this is the solution. 8 pi by 3 minus 2 root 3. Practice this question many times, okay, so that you will get used to this. It is most of the confusion occurs in this part, that is when you put the limit values. That time should be careful while solving it. Okay. Next question is from vectors. If A vector is given is perpendicular to B vector. Now we know that whenever it is perpendicular, question 20. Okay. A vector is perpendicular to B vector, then the angle between them is 90 degree. Okay. And cos 90 is 0. Okay. So when you take A dot B dot product is 0. Okay. So we have to find dot product here. A vector is given, B vector. So I'll directly write I plus lambda j plus 2k. Dot product is 8i plus 6j minus k. Okay. So dot product is you have to simply multiply the scalar numbers. Okay, scalars. 1 into 8, 8. Lambda into 6, 6 lambda. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Plus 1. So lambda is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is the answer. Second question. Second question is find the angle between the vectors A and B such that A dot B is equal to A cross B. Okay, this condition is given. Now we know that we can write angle in terms of A dot B and A cross B. That is cos theta is A dot B on magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Same way for cross product, sin theta is given as A cross B, magnitude of A to magnitude of B. Okay, so from this we can write cos theta into magnitude of A into magnitude of B, which is equal to A dot B, and sin theta into magnitude of A to magnitude of B equal to A cross B. So this condition is given, so we can equate these two equations. That is cos theta is equal to, okay, so we can cancel out this. So we get cos theta equal to sin theta, and we know the value of theta for which cos becomes equal to sin, that is pi by 4, right? Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So theta is pi by 4, which is 45 degree. Okay. Next question is you have to find the vector equation of the line 2x minus 4 equal to 3y minus 3 equal to 2 minus 2z. Now this equation is given in Cartesian form. You have to write it in the vector form. So Cartesian form in general is given by x minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon M, z minus z1 upon N. Okay, so we have to write this equation in this form. So here I'll write 2 outside, so it will be x minus 2. Here 3 outside, so y minus 1. And 2 outside, so 1 minus z. Then taking this 2 in the denominator, that is we have to divide by 2 numerator and denominator. Denominator it is 1 is there, right? So we are dividing 2 in the numerator and also in the denominator. So we'll get here half 1 by 3. Okay, but these 2 are in this form, but this is not. This we have to write z minus z1. So we have to take this minus sign outside and we can put that minus sign to this half. Okay, so this becomes like this. So now we have vector equation is r a plus lambda b. R is x, y, z. A is this x1, y1, z1 and b is this vector L, M, N. So a vector is our 2i plus 1j plus 1k plus lambda half I plus 1 by 3j plus minus half k. Okay, this is our vector form. Next is you are given A, B, C and D. You have to find this. Okay, simple it is. Question 23. Okay, so you have to find C minus A dot B cross. Okay, so first you find out C minus A. So simple, you have to subtract it from C. 4 minus 1. Here j is there, here j is not there. So we can write 0 for this. And 2 minus 5. 3i 1j minus 3k. Okay. Then we have to find b cross t. For this you have to use determinant cross product. B vector 2i plus 3k. So j is not there. D vector I minus j, k is 0. So taking determinant I, 0 minus of minus 3 plus 3, j 0 minus 3 plus k minus 2, 0, 3i plus 3j minus 2k. Okay. Now we have to take the dot product. Three 3 are 9, 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 plus 6. So 18. 18 is the answer.